So telecommunication giants Digicel have decided to take themselves away from West Indies cricket after 13 years of partnership. And the separation takes place with 1 year left on the current contract. So basically, Digicel decides to make a hasty retreat from West Indies cricket. But you know, with no official reason given for the separation, the Maverick is left to do what I do best, extrapolate. And it stands to reason that Digicel made this move because they're not getting their money's worth from its association with the diminishing West Indies cricket product. First of all, people not seeing West Indies cricket, people not watching it live, and they're not seeing it on television. And with brand association, still a key element of marketing strategy. Without visibility, the sponsorship don't make no sense for the sponsors. And if it don't make no sense for Digicel, with conditions remaining the same, which new sponsor it will make sense to? And just what kind of sales or marketing pitch Mr. Cameron and his marketing team were used to wow new sponsors? West Indies are second to last in Test cricket, third or fourth to last in ODI cricket, and even in T20, where we are the world champions, West Indies ranked in the mid-table. And worsening, what them going to say to convince new sponsors to come on board? They're going to go back to the glory days with Clive Lloyd and Viv Richards and Michael Holding. And if that don't work, they're going to tell the people about the birds and the bees and the rivers and the trees. You hear me? Maybe you not think me about the Digicel. Yeah, man, see Digicel, yeah? Take for myself.